Ninth class student, exercise 18.2, question number 9. 9 is first part. Sec 70 into sin 20 minus cos 20 into cosec 70 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to sec 70 into sin 20 minus cos 20 into cosec 70. 70 and 70 plus 20 is 90, change by 1. Sec 70 90 minus 20 sin 20 it is as cos 20 into cosec change by 90 minus 20 sec change into cosec 20 into sin 20 minus cos 20 into cosec change into sec 20. Cosec and sin are reciprocal, तो change by 1 upon sin 20 into sin 20 minus cos 20 sec 20 change by 1 upon cos 20 divide by 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to RHS. First part is complete. Second part is sin square 20 plus sin square 70 minus tan square 45 is equal to 0. Left hand side is equal to sin square 20 plus sin square 70 minus tan square 45. 720 or 70 sum is 90. Change by 1 sin 90 minus 20 write in this form as formula sin square 70 it is same tan 45 value is 1 then square sin change into cos square 70 plus sin square 70 minus 1 square is 1 साइन स्क्वायर प्लस कोस स्क्वायर में के आइडेंटिटी साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कोस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 RHS 9 question is complete. Question number 10. First part is 10 question. Cot 54 upon tan 36 plus tan 20 upon cot 70 minus 2 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to cot 54 upon tan 36 plus tan 20 upon cot 70 minus 2 54 plus 36 is 90 change by cot 90 minus 54 right in this way 36 tan 36 plus tan 20 20 or 70 sum is 90 change by 1 cot 90 minus 20 is 70 minus 2 cot change into tan 36 upon tan 36 plus tan 20 upon cot change into tan 20 minus 2 divide by same 1 plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0 RHS. Question first part is complete. Second part is sin 50 upon cos 40 plus cosec 40 sec 50 minus 4 cos 50 into cosec 40 plus 2 is equal to 0. At first write the right LHS sin 50 upon cos 40 plus cosec 40 upon sec 50 minus 4 cos 50 into cosec 40 plus 2 40 50 90 change by 1 sin 90 minus 40 is right in place of 50. Cos 40 it is same plus cosec 40 is same cosec right 50 in 90 minus 40 minus 4 both sum is 90 change by 1 cos 50 cosec 90 minus 50 40 place of plus 2 sin change into cos 40 upon cos 40 plus cosec 40 upon cosec sec change into cosec 40 minus 4 cos 50 into cosec change into sec 50 plus 2 change by divide by same 1 plus 1 minus 4 cos 50 cos and sec is reciprocal value by 1 upon cos 50 plus 2 divide by 1 1 plus 1 minus 4 1 जा 4 plus 2 then 0 is equal to RHS. Question number 10 is complete. Question number 11. 11 number is first part. What in first part? Cos 70 upon sin 20 plus cos 59 upon sin 31 minus 8 sin square 30 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to cos 70 upon sin 20 plus cos 59 upon sin 31 minus 8 sin square 30 put the 70 or 20 90 cos 70 is right 90 minus 20 denominator is 20 same plus cos 59 90 minus 31 upon denominator is same minus 8 into sin 30 value is 1 upon 2 then square cos change into sin theta here is 20 then denominator is same plus cos change into sin theta here 31. Denominator is same, minus 8 into 1 upon 2 square is 1 upon 4, divide by 1, 2, 4 2 is 8, 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2 1 is 2, then 0 is equal to RHS. Question number 11, second part. Second part is cos 80 upon sin 10 plus cos 59 into cosec 31 is equal to 2. LHS is equal to cos 80 upon sin 10 plus cos 59 cosec 31. 80 plus 10 is 90, cos bracket 90 minus 10 in place of 80. Denominator is same, sin 10 plus cos 59 or 30 and 31 with sum is 90, change by 1. Cosec 31 90 minus 59. Cos change into sin 90 minus theta, theta here is 10, sin 10 plus cos 59 into cosec change into sec, theta here 49, 59 is theta, divide by same is 1 plus cos and sec is reciprocal, change by cos write in 1 upon sec 59 into sec 59. Sec 59 divided by each 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to RHS. Question number 11 is complete. Question number 12. Question number 12 is question number 12. Find the value. Question number 12 is first part. First part is 2 10 35 upon cot 55. Bracket close square plus bracket is cot 45 55 upon tan 35 bracket close square, note a square here, -3 bracket sec 40 upon cosec 50 bracket close. We find the value without using table. 2e2 square is square, 35 plus 55 is 90, change by 1. Tan 35 it is same, cot 90 minus 35 plus cot 55 and 35 sum is 90, change by 1. Tan 35 cot bracket 90 minus 35 in place of 55 in -3 40 and 50 sum is 90, change by 1. Sec 40 90 minus 50, write the in place of 40. Cosec 50 is same 2 tan 35 cos change into tan 90 minus theta, theta here 35, then square plus cot into change into tan 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta, theta here 35 upon tan 35 minus 3 sec change into cosec 50 upon cosec 50 divide by same is equal to 2 1 square plus 1 minus 3 1 1 square 1 2 1 जा 2 plus 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 12 question first part is value is 0, then second part is sin 35 into cos 55 plus cos 35 into sin 55 upon cosec square tan minus tan square 80. Tan 35 plus 55 is 90. Change by 1. Sin 35 cos 90 minus 35 is right in place of 55 plus cos 35 is same sin 90 minus 35 right in 55 degree. Then 10 plus 80 is 90. Cosec square 10 minus 10 tan 90 minus 10 is right the in place of 80 is equal to sin 35 into sin 35 by 90 minus theta cos change into sin 35 plus cos 35 it is same into sin change into cos 35 theta here 35 cosec square 10 minus 10 change into cot square 10 sin after multiply sin square 35 plus cos square 35 upon cosec square 10 minus cot square 10 numerator is same make a identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 cosec square minus cot square is another 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Then one value is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. This identity used by 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. Second part 12th question is complete. Third part is sin square 34 plus sin square 56 plus 2 tan 18 into tan 72 minus cot square 30. Find the 34 56 is sum 90 change by 1 sin square 34 plus sin 90 minus 34 right in place of 56 plus 2 72 and 18 sum is 90 change by 1 tan 18 into tan 90 minus 18, write in 72. Then cot 30 value is under root 3. Then square, sin square 34 plus sin 90 minus theta is cos square 34 plus 2 tan 18 tan into change cot tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Under root 3 is clear. First to make a identity sin square plus cos square is equal to 1 plus 2 tan and cot is reciprocal. Value is 1 upon tan 18 minus 3 1 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. Thank you. Question number 12 is complete.